Spine care with Dien Chan.
The head of eyebrow and the end of eyebrow. This is my spine.
Touch your face. Change your spine. Seriously. Dien Chan, multi-reflexology. This is a natural healing method from Vietnam. No drugs, no devices. Just touch on your skin to relieve pain fast. It's simple, time-saving, surprisingly effective, even after your first session.
So just remember here, each finger is a body, human body.
Możemy zapamiętać, że każdy palec to jest całe ciało, nasze ciało, tak?
So with detector to treat back pain.
To treat back pain.
Any back disorder, okay, spine or disorder problem, you can go detector very slowly, carefully.
Treat your spine at home in just over 15 minutes a day. Release tension. Restore movement. Sleep better. Feel lighter. "15 minutes a day. Better spine, better life." With clear, step-by-step guidance and real-time correction. Easy to follow. Effective for everyone. Learn anywhere, anytime. Clear steps. Real results. Join the spine care course. In person. Online course. With Dietitianist from Vietnam. Teacher, Dinh Huong Thao. Sign up now. Learn to heal. Practice to transform.